This is the study of inflammatory pathogenesis of a remedy, biochemical remedy. One must understand this depth of inflammation. If you understand it, you can logically utilize those in a patient. Ferrum phos is the remedy for the first stage of inflammation. What is the first stage? That is a congestion, development of inflammation with a congestion, dilatation of blood vessels. Kali muriaticum, second stage of inflammation, where it produces the edema. The fluid movement, that is the exudation which you can get, plastic exudate which enters over there inside the joint. Generally in rheumatoid arthritis, you can get this. Kali sulfuricum, the third stage, early suppuration. I have given specifically the colors over there so that to understand that suppurative early stage, where there is a just pus formation starts after killing the material, such types of stages, Kali sulfuricum plays very vital role. Calcarea sulf, a more advanced stage of suppuration where necrosis, debris is there over there. It is consisting of a pus plus necrosed material debris, fourth stage of inflammation. Silicia, it leads to the fibrosis, it leads to production of sinuses, openings and fissulas to take the pus, whatever developed over there, to take it out. Then Calcarea pure, the fifth stage, that is the degenerations, the osteophytes formation, the exostosis. This is a wonderful remedy to be utilized in senile cases, osteoarthritic cases. MAC-phos, wherever there is a pains, neuralgia, spasms, this remedy plays very vital role. Calcarea phos, two purposes. It also deals with regeneration of the bone, regeneration of certain things, as well as degeneration. That's why it is very important whenever wear and tear phenomenon comes, think of the Calcarea phos in your prescription, and how to utilize Calcarea phos. That also we'll discuss in next slide. Natrum sulf, I have given green color because discharges of natrum sulf are always greenish. Natrum sulf is psychotic. It is very specific psychotic inflammatory conditions. So it plays very vital role generally in case of gouty rheumatism, as well as it carries the gouty diathesis, aggravation in damp weather. Generally all rheumatoid arthritis or gouty rheumatism always aggravates during the damp weather, and that's why it is a very important remedy in such cases. Kali phosphoricum, neuralgias, it is a good homeopathic tranquilizer. Think, use the logic when you are prescribing. Why not to use the logic like allopath? Patient who comes to you with a severe pain and wants to get relief, he is in a frustrated stage. To bring back his mental state, Kali phos is a good answer. So in your prescription, why not to add a Kali phos as a supportive? It makes two senses. It tranquilizes the patient, at the same time neuralgia is also settled with the help of Kali phos. So this is one more thing one should not forget. So this is common inflammatory pathogenesis I have discussed with you.
Hello and namaste from Mumbai. I'm very, very excited to share with you that this December we are launching the advanced course on classical homeopathy. So all the homeopaths out there, students, interns, early practitioners, students anywhere, this is the thing you need to join. It's a weekend course, online course. You can sit at home and learn. In today's times, the world has been online. We are going to be talking about 100 polycrest remedies, also rare remedies, organon, repertorization techniques, advanced level of case taking. Also, we'll also talk about how to use mother tinctures, organ remedies, biochemics. It's going to be one of its kind. Homeopaths across the world are going to be teaching also in this, and I'm working on the content of it very, very closely with the best minds in homeopathy. So I really want every single one of you to join us, be a revolution in this field. I'm also going to give a lot of homework to all of you, so be ready for a lot of training sessions with me. Also, there is an early bird offer, so if you register earlier, you will get it at a major discounted rate, and if you already attended my last course, you'll also kind of, in this early bird offer, you'll also get the last course, that is the 6-month classical homeopathy course, as a guest access. We are going to increase it for 6 months. So you'll also attend the last course plus this course. So it's going to be close to about 200 hours of classical homeopathy at your fingertips for the next 7-8 months. It's going to be one of its kind. So if you want to be a genuinely good homeopath and a clinician, this 200 hours will take you to the next level. So forget everything else. Forget the Netflix, forget the Amazon Prime, forget the movies, forget the stories. Classical homeopathy at its best. Just email on the below email ID, register, be a part of revolution. Every single one of you listening, hand on heart, join us.